Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly unique and eye-catching. A retro-style micro-camper van parked in the most unexpected place, a luxurious modern lobby. This blend of vintage charm and modern elegance creates a scene you don't see every day, and we're about to explore every little detail that makes it special. At first glance, the two-tone cream and golden paint instantly stands out, giving the camper a timeless glow. The smooth, rounded edges make it feel like a piece of living history, perfectly preserved. It's not just a vehicle, it's a work of art that reflects both nostalgia and sophistication in one perfect frame. As you step closer, the small entry door invites you in, revealing a cozy world tucked into a tiny space. The cream-cushioned seating looks soft and welcoming, while golden accents shine subtly, giving it a warm elegance. Wooden cabinets add practicality without sacrificing style, making this small space both functional and luxurious. Look around and you'll notice every inch of this camper is designed for comfort. The fold-out table is perfect for dining, working, or just enjoying a quiet moment. White curtains with golden embroidery soften the light that enters, adding a delicate touch of luxury. And at night, the golden-hued LED lighting creates a warm, intimate atmosphere you'd never expect in a compact space. What makes this even more impressive is the balance between old and new. The retro design pays homage to classic camper vans, while the solar panels on the roof bring in modern sustainability. It's like stepping into the past and future at the same time, all within a beautifully small footprint. And let's not forget the setting. The polished marble floor reflects the camper's golden tones, while the surrounding stylish furniture and framed art give the entire scene a museum-like presence. It feels as though the camper itself is the centerpiece of a modern design exhibition, blending perfectly with its upscale surroundings. This is more than just a micro-camper van. It's a statement about design, lifestyle, and creativity. It proves that even in small spaces, luxury, comfort, and functionality can come together to create something truly unforgettable. If you enjoyed exploring this retro meets modern masterpiece, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more unique design showcases, and let us know in the comments. Would you live in a cozy, cream and golden micro camper like this? Stay tuned, because we've got plenty more inspiring spaces to share with you.